Okay, this is page 9. The directions ask you shade the following figures on a centimeter grid paper. Cut and fold each to make 3 open boxes, taping them so they hold their shapes. Pack each box with cubes. Write how many cubes fill each box. So I am looking for how many cubes would fill this box, right? So if I were to cut this picture out or using graph paper, if you have graph paper, or drawing the picture, the little cubes out, you can do that. And I fold all of these together and I put it into a little cube. So if I were to do that, I would count how many cubes are in this box. So now that it's folded, it looks like that. See that? So we're trying to figure out how many cubes are there each. So I know there is one right here, another one right here, so that's 2. And then we have a third one right here. I can't really see it that well. Third one right there, a fourth one right there. And then you notice that there are the other ones, right? So these 2 in the back. So 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there would be 8 cubes that fit into this little box right here. So number of cubes is going to be 8 cubes. Now, they're asking you how many number of cubes would be able to fit into this right here. So if I cut that out, I can also figure out how many cubes there are. So just counting this right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that whole layer is all of this right here. So there are 8 in the first layer, okay? So I'm going to write 8. Now in the second layer are the ones at the top. I have all of these, okay? So it's going to be another layer of 8. So 8 plus 8 is going to give me 16 cubes. Now for problem C, you get an even bigger cube, bigger cube. So you are going to count all of the gray squares first. That is the first layer, and then you're going to count the second layer and then the third layer. So my first layer looks like this. All of these right here, including the gray. So that's my first layer. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 cubes in the first layer, okay? And here's the second layer, and the second layer is also going to have 16 cubes. You notice that all of them are equal and they're even, so it's another 16 on top. So I'm going to add 16. And then my last layer, I have another layer that is also 16 cubes. So I'm going to add 16. Okay? And when I add 16 plus 16 plus 16, I'm going to get 48 cubes. And if you remember, or you need to set it up in a way where you can see it more clearly, you can add it this way. So I know that 6 times 3, or 6 plus 6 plus 6 is